Hi pre-K friends, boys and girls. I feel like it has been a while since I posted a read aloud, so I wanted to go ahead and post one for you today, since when we are in the classroom together, which I hope is very, very soon, we will be reading lots and lots of books together. I'm going to read to you. You're going to read some to me. We're going to read together as a whole class. And so I felt like it was time for me to get on and share another book with you. Because remember how Miss Howell said that I have so many books that I love and I want to share with you. So this book is a little bit longer than the other ones that we've read together. So you have two very, 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 very important jobs, okay? The first job is you're going to go find somewhere comfortable to read, and it has to be quiet. Okay, so somewhere comfy and quiet to read. So do that first. And then the second thing that you're going to do is, you ready for this? You're going to turn on those listening ears. Okay, so turn them on, turn them on, turn them on, turn them on. Awesome. All right. So when our ears are on and listening, that means that our brain is ready to learn and ready to see and take in everything that is in our book. Okay? All right, so this book, you may have seen the inside a little bit. Some crayons. This is The Day the Crayons Quit. And you might have already heard this book before, but we're going to read it together anyway, okay? So this is by Drew DeWalt, who is our author, and it's illustrated by Oliver Jeffers, and they were silly and they turned it upside down. All right, let's go ahead and read. The Day the Crayons Quit. One day in class, Duncan went to take out his crayons and found a stack of notes with his name on them. It says, "To Duncan." It's a stack of letters. The first letter said, "Hey Duncan, it's me, Red Crayon. We need to talk. You make me work harder than any of the other crayons. All year long, I wear myself out coloring fire engines, apples, strawberries, and everything else that's red. I even work on holidays. I have to color all the Santas at Christmas and all the hearts on Valentine's Day. I need a rest. Your overworked friend, Red Crayon." You can see, look, he looks very tired in that picture. He's going, whew. What color's next? What color is this? It's purple. Dear Duncan, all right, listen. I love that I'm your favorite crayon for grapes, dragons, and wizard hats. But it makes me crazy that so much of my gorgeous color goes outside the lines. If you don't start coloring inside the lines soon, I am going to completely lose it. Your very neat friend, Purple Crayon. Can you see where he was coloring outside the lines? We want to make sure that we're doing that 3-star work and coloring inside those lines, right? Dear Duncan, I'm tired of being called light brown or dark tan because I am neither. I am beige and I am proud. I'm also tired of being second place to Mr. Brown Crayon. It's not fair that Brown gets all the bears, ponies, and puppies, while the only things I get are turkey dinners, if I'm lucky, and wheat. And let's be honest, when was the last time you saw a kid excited about coloring wheat? Your beige friend, Beige Crayon. And he drew a little picture of wheat over here, which is a plant. It's a type of crop. Duncan, gray crayon here. Miss Howell's wearing gray. We match. You're killing me. I know you love elephants, and I know that elephants are gray, but that's a lot of space to color. especially all by myself. And don't even get me started on your rhinos, hippos, and humpback whales. You know how tired I am after handling all of those things? Such big animals. Baby penguins are gray, you know. So are very tiny rocks. Pebbles? How about one of those once in a while to give me a break? Your very tired friend, Gray Crayon. What color do you think is going to be next? We've done purple and red and beige and gray. I like this one. Dear Duncan, you color with me, but why? Most of the time, I'm the same color as the page you are using me on. White. If I didn't have a black outline, you wouldn't even know I was there. I'm not even in the rainbow. I'm only used to color snow or fill in the empty space between other things, and it leaves me feeling, well, empty. We need to talk. Your empty friend, White Crayon. And over here, he drew a white cat in the snow. Can you see the white cat? Because I can only see his eyes, his nose, and his mouth. Let's see. Hi, Duncan. I hate being used to draw the outlines of things. Things that are colored in by other colors, all of which think they're brighter than me. It's not fair when you use me to draw a nice beach ball and then fill in the colors of the ball with all the other crayons. How about a black beach ball sometime? Is that too much to ask? Your friend, Black Crayon. Have you ever seen a black beach ball? Or look, that black rainbow. Dear Duncan, as Green Crayon, I am writing for 2 reasons. One is to say that I like my work. Loads of crocodiles, trees, dinosaurs, and frogs. I have no problems and wish to congratulate you on a very successful coloring things green. The second reason I write is for my friends, Yellow Crayon and Orange Crayon, who are no longer speaking to each other. Both crayons feel they should be the color of the sun. Please settle this soon, because they're driving the rest of us crazy. Your happy friend, Green. Look, he is very happy. It's to draw dinosaurs and frogs and crocodiles. Those are all pretty fun things to draw, if you ask me. Dear Duncan, Yellow Crayon here. I need you to tell Orange Crayon that I am the color of the sun. I would tell him, but we are no longer speaking, and I can prove I'm the color of the sun. Last Tuesday, you used me to color in the sun on your Happy Farm coloring page book. In case you've forgotten, it's on page 7. You can't miss me. I'm shining down brilliantly on a field of yellow corn, your pal, in the true color of the sun, Yellow Crayon. I don't know. Orange Crayon doesn't look too happy over there. What do you think? What color would you use to make the sun? Yellow or orange? Maybe red? Maybe all? Dear Duncan, I see Yellow Crayon already talked to you. The big whiner. Anyway, could you please tell Mr. Tattletale that he is not the color of the sun? I would, but we're no longer speaking. We both know I am clearly the color of the sun because on Thursday, you used me to color the sun on both the Monkey Island and the Meet the Zookeeper pages in your Day at the Zoo coloring book. Aren't you glad I'm here? Ha! Your pal and the real color of the sun, Orange Crayon. That's a lot of colors. A lot of crayons are unhappy. What do you think? Dear Duncan, it has been great being your favorite color this past year. and the year before, and the year before that. I have really enjoyed all those oceans, lakes, rivers, raindrops, rain clouds, and clear skies. But the bad news is that I am so short and stubby, I can't even see over the railing in the crayon box anymore. I need a break. Your very stubby friend, Blue Crayon. Duncan. Okay, listen here, kid. You have not used me once in the past year. Is it because you think I'm a girl's color? Speaking of which, please tell your little sister I said thank you for using me to color her little princess coloring book. I think she did a fabulous job of staying inside the lines. Now, back to us. Could you please use me sometime to color the occasional pink dinosaur or monster or cowboy? Goodness knows they could use a splash of color. Your unused friend, Pink Crayon. Well, poor Duncan just wanted to color, and of course he wanted his crayons to be happy, and that gave him an idea. When Duncan showed his teacher his new picture, she gave him an A for coloring. What do you think he did? Do you think he used just one color? Do you think he used maybe two? Let's turn it around and see. He used all of the colors. He used every single one of his rainbow crayons. Very, very nice. And an A+ for creativity. Boys and girls, there is a part 2 to this book, and I am going to share it with you tomorrow, okay? So, think about what you would use your crayons to draw, and maybe what you could use to maybe make something look a little bit different. Maybe you decide to make a purple frog. I think Duncan did in his picture. Let's see. Yep, he's got an orange whale. And, purple frog. A red horse. That pink dinosaur. So maybe you could use your crayons to draw some things that are different colors too. All right, if you do, show them to me because I can't wait to see them. And I will see you guys tomorrow when I read you another book. All right, tomorrow we're going to read The Day the Crayons Came Home. I can't wait. Bye.